How to find notifications on settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notifications on settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp. Here you will find these 3 points in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find notifications, and then just scroll down until you find this one, notifications on. Just click on it, and here you can manage it. Just select here anything you want, and that's it. It's easy. And after you manage it, just go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.